Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure you have administrator access and the image you want ready. Activation is irrelevant for this process. Open File Explorer and navigate to the image, or open Settings and go to Personalization, then Background to begin. Right-click the image file and select Set as Desktop Background, or choose Browse in Settings and pick the image. Once done, you'll immediately see the wallpaper change. Make sure the file is locally stored to avoid network delays or permission prompts. If settings is limited, you can edit the registry to restore theme options, navigate to HKCU/Control Panel/Desktop, and modify wallpaper or set group policy keys if present. Next, pick the correct picture position like fill, fit, or span so the image displays properly across monitors. Access this via Settings or right-click Desktop Personalize. For automated rotation, create a task scheduler job that runs a script to change the registry value or use PowerShell to set the desktop wallpaper at intervals. Make sure backups exist before edits. To finish, restart Explorer. EXE from Task Manager if the new background doesn't appear. That forces a refresh. If the wallpaper reverts or fails, revert any registry changes to defaults or remove conflicting group policy entries and then reapply the image. Verify file permissions and ensure the image path is accessible, network paths or deleted files cause failure. One key troubleshooting tip. If settings blocks changes, run sfc/scano and check for corrupted system files before repeating registry edits to avoid compounding errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.